Hey everyone, Sean Connors here, and I hope that you had a great holiday. You had some time to hang out with your family, reset, relax a little bit, and enjoyed your time off. Well, I wanted to come to you with this quick video in order to give you an update on the market and where we stand today and looking forward into 2019. So stay tuned. I'm not going to take up too much of your time, but I want to give you this brief breakdown of where we're at in the market and how it can benefit you if you're buying or selling. So stay tuned. So one thing that I want to continue to talk about is the fact that we have a lack of inventory. Based on the numbers, we have about 4 months worth of inventory across the greater Philadelphia area, which means that the demand is still there and the supply is still small. So if you're planning on selling your home, you still have an advantage. Even though we're in the winter months, you have the advantage because the buyers are still out there looking and there's not that much to choose from. But what we're noticing is that if you're pricing your home and trying to drive the market up, so if you have a $350,000 home and you're trying to get $360 or $370 because of the lack of inventory, you know, in a lot of cases, you're gonna not get the price you're asking and you're gonna get lower than $350 because there are slightly more options, but buyers aren't willing to pay that much more for your home because you're pricing it above market value. Now let's talk about the average sale price. Across America, the average sale price went up about 4%, but in our area it went up slightly below 2%. But we still have an increase, and the experts predict, the Mortgage Bankers of America, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, NAR, which is the National Association of Realtors, they're all predicting that home prices are going to continue to go up, but not as dramatically as it has been in the past couple of years. So we went up about 2% now, so we can expect to have an increase of about 2 to 3% next year also. And I wanted to touch a little bit on the interest rate and the fact that the interest rates have gone up. Yes, they have gone up, but they're still very, very low, and they're not even above 5%. All the experts are saying that the interest rates are going to increase next year, but most likely they won't get higher than 5.25%. Like, that is the maximum height that I saw through all of the experts' analysis of where the interest rates are going to go. You know, and that's based on the economy and how strong the economy is now. So if you're thinking about buying, now is still a really, really good time, because it wasn't too long ago that the interest rates were 6% and higher. So don't be afraid that it's creeping up to 5%, because you're still in a great time to buy. So the big question is, where are we going in 2019? So based on the stats that we have now, and based on forecasting predictions, the experts are saying that 2019 is going to be a stronger year than 2018, and it's going to be very similar to 2017 because the economy is still strong, home prices are still increasing, wages are starting to increase more, and interest rates, even though they're rising a little bit, they are still at a historic low. And renting is increasing because property values are going up, so landlords are deciding that they can increase rent. So when rents increase and mortgage rates are still low, that causes more people to buy, because once you realize the fact that you can own for less than you can rent in a lot of areas, then it makes sense for you to buy. So going into 2019, if you're thinking about buying and you're thinking about selling and you need some kind of consultation, just reach out to me and we can set up a time. We do free home buying and selling consultations every day of the week. So if you want to learn more about the buying and selling process, don't hesitate to reach out. I look forward to speaking with you soon, and if I don't hear from you, have a great new year and have a great day.